Let us introduce Aero. Aero's 100% electric, foldable, and affordable e-bike. Let's take a ride. It is lightweight, has a sleek design, and folds extremely small. Easily unfolded in a few seconds. Turn it on. Just push the throttle and take speed through the city and cruise all day with its dual Telsa batteries, reaching over 45 miles with top speed over 22 miles per hour. Our double disc brakes provides you an entire control of your drive in all situations, while keeping your outfits clean with its front and rear mudguard. When you're done riding, Aero easily folds in a few seconds for storage or transportation. Choose one of the 3 speed gears and pass to Sport mode to discover the world around you. It's 12-inch tires letting you ride over wet pavement or loose surfaces with ease. It is equipped with both front and rear suspensions. We also add a large and extremely comfortable saddle. It will move you to new destinations, so put it on its stand and enjoy the view. It's built strong and durable, so use it for adventure or leisure, like share a drink with your friends. Take it everywhere. It will be your best companion for every day and every situation. When the sun goes down, bright LED projection headlights illuminate the road ahead, and LED turn signals make it safer. This revolution has the potential to reduce global warming and toxic pollution. We need your support to go into production. Join the revolution and pre-order yours today to add the next chapter in personal transportation. We are Weebot, a French company that design and develop exciting personal clean energy transportation. After many prototypes, we built the ultimate e-vehicle ever for daily basis. We pushed boundaries like never before in name of all urban commuters.